It's got some gesture tips. That's useful because I always forget those whenever I'm trying to use Darcy's. I can never figure out how to do anything. Okay. And I believe there'll be the all-important stickers. Shall I do a giveaway for the stickers? Because I probably don't want them.
Square, you really aren't an Apple person. Everyone knows you use the old charger till it breaks and never the new one from the box. SMH.
But I don't have an existing one. So I can't use the old one. This is the first one. Oh, it's a fast charger. Well, that's cool. Is it actually? Huh. It says it's a 5 volt or 9 volt. 2.22 amp. Or 5 volt 3 amps. But yeah, Thunderbolt, I believe it's USB-C plus Thunderbolt or something. Can't just go with the universal standard, which isn't universal anymore because there's more USB connectors than Jupiter has moons. Very, very true. And yes, Dork Noodle, I am glad I got the Pro one as well. I was very, very tempted to get the iPad Air because it was $130 off and it comes in blue. But I decided to go for the better refresh rate screen and the better processor as well. I decided that was worth the extra couple of $100. So I guess I'll put that aside and we'll take all this film off as well. Not gonna share your no, I'm not sharing Darcy's icky charger. And also, I don't think it would work anyway because hers isn't USB-C. I don't think because hers is older, right, Darcy? Yes, we're gonna peel the film. I didn't know about the 9 volt charging, but 5 volt 3 amp that's a lot of current for lithium batteries. Are they lithium? Oh, lithium ion batteries, right? Yeah, I don't know. I can only assume they know what they're doing. All right, here we go. The almighty film. Ooh. 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 That's pretty nice. Look, you can see all the reflections. Hello. Hello. Wait, if I look at the camera, they go, hello. There you go. It's very, very pretty. No, it does not come with a screen protector. That was an interesting thing. My phone did. My new phone came with a screen protector already on it, which really surprised me. But this doesn't, so I need to get one, and I also need to get a case as well. For now, I'll probably just get a case like next day delivery from Amazon or something. But I know Red Jeep Man has a very, very nice leather case, and I looked at the website that he bought that from because I thought it'd be good to get one myself. But they don't have one for this iPad yet, so does not need a screen protector. Interesting. Is it like scratch proof or is it scratch resistant? Well, see, Darcy doesn't use. Well, Darcy wasn't using a screen protector, but then she got the paper-like one. I don't know if I want paper-like though. I do have a screen protector on my Switch because those actually do scratch. Oh well, if you guys don't think it needs a screen protector, then I probably won't worry about it. But I probably will get a cover that has a screen cover on it as well. Oh, you have to remove yours because of excessive abrading by all the dust that is in my job. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Yeah. Very hard Gorilla Glass. Should I get my keys and like drop them on it and see what happens? Okay, All right, well, I guess we should turn it on. There's all these like sensors up here. I can see. Are those dual microphones? Is that what that is for stereo microphone? It's audio input. But anyway, we should turn it on. Assuming it has charge. It do. I do not remember my Apple ID logins, no. It's taken a hot second. It's saying hello. I think it's trying to communicate. Oh, it's the 5G sensors. They activate when I get my vaccine in 10 days. I look forward to that then. Oh, what did you say, Corn? I could not see my beautiful face when I was unlocking my phone anymore. Oh no. That's so sad.
Hello?
Hello, Sassy. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, I'll log in later. I'm not going to worry about that for now. But we'll get it going. Setting language, righto. No, I don't have a current iPhone or iPad. Oh, spoiler. You can see what our networks are named. This is how you know I'm a Bionicle fan. Matanui and Metrunui. I'm not going to explain those to you. I'm going to put my password in. I think I got it right. You shouldn't be surprised. Hi, Mr. Apple mobile computer. Yeah, half charge. Oh no, it's got 77% charge. That's not too bad. 8675309. Oh, it worked out what the what, you know what? You're actually not far off, all lad. I'll give you that. Yep, continue. Face ID. Okay. I should probably take off Lynchy for setting up the Face ID, right? Best part of vaccination is when you become magnetic. You can just keep your keys stuck to you. Oh man, I'm looking forward to that. I'll never lose them again. I love Corn Curls 2021. Oh, it's a song? Oh, okay, I didn't get it. Most lithium-ion batteries are shipped at half charge because it's safer. Well, there you go, 77% for this one. Oh, even better yet, Corn. 0118999 headphones might confuse Face ID. That's what I was thinking. I'll set it up later and I'll create a passcode. Okay. Oh, you can use letters as well for the passcode. Okay, we're good. Damn it, all lad, stop, shush. What's becoming more of a thing, Corn Curls? The British emergency phone number. Don't transfer. I need to sign in now. I can't skip it. It doesn't say I can skip it. Don't have Apple ID. Oh, set up later. Okay, cool. We can skip it. We can skip it. Yep, don't use for now. It's fine. We'll come back to it. My Apple ID, I do know what the email address is. I don't know the password off the top of my head. I'd need to go figure that out. No, it's all right. I'll do it later. We'll disable the location just in case it doxes me. Sure. Oh, we have to pick a voice. We have to pick a voice.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
That was really loud.
Settings.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
You can change it later in settings.
Do we want the lady or the man? I'll let you guys choose. Which one?
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You can change
Ooh,
it later
pick my
in
voice,
settings.
square guy.
Brian, I can't. I'm sorry, you're not an option. We could download other ones later.